today I wanted to talk to you all about toothbrushing and flossing for kids. It's something that's notoriously difficult and challenging, especially when it's 7 p.m. and they've had a long day at school and it's the last thing they want to do. So hopefully I can give you some tips which will help make this easier. So I'll start by going through some different age categories, and we'll just talk about things that might make your life a bit more pleasant when it comes to brushing your child's teeth. So we should start brushing our child's teeth as soon as the first tooth erupts into the mouth. So as soon as you see it poking through the gum, that's a really good time to start. There's two reasons for this. The first one is it gets your child used to toothbrushing being a part of their daily routine. And we all know that old habits die hard, so if we can install really good habits in them at a young age, that's something that they'll carry into adulthood. The second reason is that as soon as a tooth comes into the mouth, it will be susceptible to developing tooth decay or other problems. So when we're brushing babies' teeth, most parents or toddlers tend to sit them up in front of us and go a little bit like this, and that can work well for some people, but I tend to find that that gives the child a bit of scope to wriggle around, pull away and do all their sort of gymnastics for you. So what I find much easier when it comes to toothbrushing in young children and babies is to have them lie back with their head on your lap. That way you can be looking down at them, they can look at you, and you can maintain that eye contact, and it also gives you much better control. You can take the toothbrush, you can hold their cheek out the way with one finger, and you can easily get right to the back of their mouth and brush all the way around. You can do the same on the other side, ensuring that you do the flat surfaces, the biting surfaces at the back of the mouth, and cleaning insides next to their tongue as well. This position also makes it a lot easier to do the top teeth because you can kind of look over, and exactly the same. We want to make sure we brush all three surfaces, the inside next to the roof of the mouth, the outsides next to the cheeks, and underneath the lips at the front, and then along the flat surfaces, the biting surfaces at the back and the front as well. There are also some products available which can help with toothbrushing in a really young child or a baby if you're struggling. This is called a surround toothbrush. It's different from a normal toothbrush in that rather than having bristles that are just in the one direction, it's also got angled bristles on either side. The benefit of this is when you place it over the tooth, it catches all three surfaces of the tooth at once, so it cleans the outside, the inside and the top at once. Obviously this model is a little bit bigger than what your child's teeth would be, so you're going to have to trust me that it does go down to the gum line. But these can be a really effective tool if you're finding that your little one lets you into brush but probably only for 10 seconds and then your time's up. Or if it's a little bit more difficult for you to get in there routinely and give your child's teeth a really good clean. Should you want any more information about these, then please let us know at the practice because we've got these in stock and we can certainly help you out.